Hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Alright, today we are discussing a different strategy, but it's just more like nearly the last one we did on the moving averages. The last time we discussed how to trade this trend with two powerful moving averages on a higher time frame. Okay, if you didn't watch that video, okay, you check on this video the description, you will see the link to the video. You can watch the video. It's very powerful. You can use it to trade the market and make successful trading, catch spikes, all the spikes in the market. And if you want to buy, you can actually use it also to trend. Okay, but that's it for a swing trade. Now on that request, I now come up with this different strategy, but also dependent on moving averages. This indicator is actually a trend indicator, but we don't actually even care about what trend it is. But if you know the trend of the market, it will be very advantageous for you to know what's happening. But if otherwise, you can still use this trade to make the market successfully. So how does we take our trades? How does we take our entries? Okay, what are our entries? Your entries is when you see this happen, right? When you see these moving averages here, when they all cross, not only crossing, you will see the one on a sky blue, that is on a fainted blue, the one that is this one on a fainted blue. Let me I want to show you what I'm talking about. This one here, that is the one that crossed above, that is fainted blue. When it is, because that is the one at the last, that is the last one in the indicator here, that is the one at the back. So when it come up and become the one and the front, right, that is when you will take your buy entry. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, you watch the trade when you see this kind of long spike, when you see the long spike like this, okay, and it is coming to retrace. Maybe, let me assume, if it's a downtrend, let us check a downtrend market. I want to show you something. We see that somewhere here is downtrend, somewhere here is moving down. So I want to show you that it works even on a downtrend market. Okay, here is a downtrend, right? Here is a downtrend. Here is a downtrend. Let's check something there. Let's mark out this region. Here is a downtrend. From here, we are seeing a down movement of this market. Here's a downtrend. So I want to show you that it's work even on a downtrend. So you don't need to be afraid of the trend of the markets that we are trading. Now we now go back to one more time frame. Let's go back to that level. Now you see that. Remember, we are on a downtrend right here. See that we are on a downtrend, but in all the downtrend, there is what is called retracement. Okay, this color is too shouty. I don't know why my chart is doing like this. Why is it doing like that? What is happening to my chart? What is it? Let me use that time frame to see. My chart is not. I want to change the color of this stuff to something that we can normally see easily. This is actually not seeable. No. Something else. I just want something that we can understand and see better than this red. This red is like you can't see it well. What about this? This okay? Let us use this as well. All right. As I said earlier, although we are on a downtrend, you see I mark out this region as a downtrend market. So from here we are on a downtrend. All right, now you see spike happened. From here it spiked down. These things did not cross around here. All right, it crossed somewhere here. Remember we are on a downtrend. Normally we're on a downtrend, but at the cross here, you see you can buy, you can see scalp from here. So my suggestion is that if you enter, don't just enter if it crosses, don't just enter once it's crossed. You enter after it has crossed and moved up to, like, it crossed somewhere here. So you enter maybe after it's move about 2 candles above. Then you enter your market. So when you enter the market somewhere here, you are taking something 5 pips, and you go away. 5 to 10 pips. Let me say 5 pips, 5 candles, and you go out. You go out the market. You see here, we take our entry. This one, successful. Now a spike happened again. It happened so long that it did not cross again until here. You see that here? It also crossed somewhere here. Take a 5 candles and you go away. Now again, and that spike happened. It came here. It did not cross. Look at that. It did not cross. It spike again. Now here it crossed. We take our 5 candles and we go away. Right? Also, it spiked again and crossed here. We take our 5 candles and we go away. You see that here also? Look at this thing. It did not cross. It did not cross. Guys, look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Because you see this thing? It's about to cross, but it did not cross. It did not cross. It did not cross. And what's happened? Spike happened. And here it crossed. Here it crossed. We take our trade. Here it's crossed. We take our trade. Now, here is a cross, the major change in trend. And look at what happened. Boom. Boom. So if you know about price action, you take more chance here. All right? And that cross here, you take your trade. Okay? You see, this is actually a nice setup. So if you are a scalper and you want to make massive profit, you can use this as a case study. You see that I did this on a downtrend so that you understand what I'm saying. So it's not a trend based indicator. You can use it to trade whether trending or non-trending. This is downtrending, and we use it. We still use it in that session. I guess you see where I'm going. Now we are seeing a reversal of the market going upward. Here is also a better opportunity to trade longer in the market. Okay, here's a chance to trade longer in the market. Let us see what happened here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If you have entered lower from here, and you know is a trend is a trend changing, you see, you should be holding up to this moment, guys. Is a massive. This setup is very, very mind-blowing. So do not joke with it. Try it right now on your demo, and I would like to get your feedback. All right, guys, please, before I forget, don't waste time to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel right now. Subscribe to the channel. If you like what we are doing, share the video, like the video, and comment. Please, I need your comments in the comment box. Comment, how do you see this strategy? Please comment on the comment box, share the video also, and like the video. Right, this is cash 1000. Let's check on boom 1000. On boom index is a reverse. Okay, on boom indices it is a reverse of what is happening here. You can see that here right now we have took some trade. Look at the crossing over here. Right, you should enter your trade, right? Enter your trade and make some profit right from this place. Okay, look at that. It works like magic. At this point we have a ranging trade. At this point we have a ranging market. Here we have a ranging market. Okay, you have a ranging market here. All right, now look, you see that first criteria is that there must be a long spike. There must be a spike. There must be a long spike. It was, if long, better. The longer the spike, the better this stuff will be valid. Okay, because after a long spike, there should be a retracement, even if it is going against the trend. After a long spike, there should be a retracement, and that we are buying. We are taking trades on the retracement. Okay, look at it here. It crossed over here, and guess what? Boom. All right, it's crossed over here. Boom. All right, it's crossed over here. Boom. We are taking trade like magic. I told you guys, you take profit at level of, you take profit at 5 candles or 10 candles, or just practice on it and see how far it works for you. All right, maybe you ask about the zoom level for the strategy. What is the zoom level? You see, this is the lowest. This is the lowest zoom level. So you have to zoom out. Rather, you have to zoom in like this. This is the zoom level, guys. So from the lower zoom level, you zoom out like this. You can use this or this. That is zoom level 3 or zoom level 2. All right, but I use this one so I can see that sky blue color showing, because that is what we buy. At this point, the sky blue should actually cross downward. If you come out fair, you will see that it should actually be the one that cross out downward before you sell. Okay, that is very simple and easy. With this setup, you can be making a lot of money for yourself every single day without incurring losses. Okay, without incurring losses. All right, if you should incur losses, it should be minimal. All right, we could see something happen here. This thing cross, actually it's cross here. It's cross that to show you that it's not 100% accurate. All right, it's not 100% accurate, but it has more winning rate than losing rate. It's cross right here, but spike come. But what do you do when spike come? All right, you will set stop loss at the above of that, above the spike. Okay, you set stop loss maybe 5 candles or 10 candles above that spike. Okay, now look at what happened. The market did not go down, it spike. But guess what? The spike did not cross that old high enough. So we are still holding, and what happened? It actually came back and give us our profit before the next spike happened. Okay, so you should practice this thing on demo and get to understand how to use it effectively on your own trading style. Okay, I showed you this based on my own experience and understanding, so you too can also go ahead and do more researches about do more trading about your research. Okay, now let me show you the settings of the setup so that you don't so I don't forget about it. Okay, first of all, if you are new, you don't know how to do it, click on this F button here. Click on this F button here. See that? Click on that F button. Now something like this will show. All right, you click on this F plus here. We are only dealing with the main chart. All right, these ones are the one we have already, that we already did on the last video. So you can still watch you can still go to the channel and get these ones here. But now we are only talking about these ones here. All right, the first ones here is we have period is 15, shift 0, method is linear weight, open, apply to close, style. You can choose any color of your choice. I choose blue. Next one here, we'll have period 14, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close. You can choose color of your choice. Okay, next one here, we'll have period 15 also, shift is 0, you can choose linear weight is the method, apply to close. I choose sky blue. That is the one that you should pay more attention to, because it is the crossing, it is the one that crosses whether up or down. So you should pay more attention to this moving average. Okay, now the fourth one is period 17, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close. You can choose any color of your choice. All right, the next one here we'll have period 19, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close. You can choose any color of your choice. I choose white here. The next one here we'll have period 21, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close, style. You can choose any color of your choice. All these things has no level, and if you have done this, if you have done that successfully, boom, you are good to go. And here you are. Here you should have your trade. Okay, here you should have your trade made. You could see that we are still going down at this point. I think an entry point is trying to form right now. Okay, that's the entry point right now, guys. Right, so this is very, very awesome. Very, very awesome. Crash 1000 is also the same thing, with crash 1500. This is crash 500. You see that we should have taken trades here, here. Even though we are on a look at that, even though we are on a downtrend, we are still taking trades on a downtrend. So you don't need to be afraid of losses. Okay. All right, guys. I thank you guys for watching this video, and please comment on the video, like the video, share it, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And see you in the next video. And until then, I remain HumbleFx. Thank you so much.